Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to ledger entry in Tally Prime. First, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, you'll select Vouchers to begin your entry process. It's crucial to understand that every transaction affects at least 2 accounts following the double entry system. We'll cover how to correctly identify and input these debits and credits for accurate record keeping. Before recording transactions, you might need to create new ledgers. From the gateway of Tally, choose Create, then select Ledger. Here, you'll enter the ledger's name, such as Cash or Sales Account. Crucially, you must assign it to an appropriate group, like Current Assets or Sales Accounts, to ensure proper financial reporting. This step is fundamental for organizing your financial data effectively. Now, let's record a transaction. In the Vouchers screen, select the appropriate voucher type, like Payment or Receipt. You'll then debit one account and credit another, ensuring the amounts balance. For example, a cash sale would debit cash and credit sales. Always include a clear narration to describe the transaction, which is vital for future reference and auditing. After entering transactions, it's essential to review your work. You can check all entries in the daybook or view specific ledger entries under Display More Reports, then Account Books. Always verify that your debits equal your credits and that all financial data is accurate. This practice helps maintain precise records. Also, for more great tips and other deals, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.